Good Monday morning. It's that time again. I have another order packing video for y'all. This one is for John. He actually bought this for his daughter, Sarah. So we are going to get it packed up. Hey, John, thanks for your order. Really appreciate it. I really hope your daughter enjoys it. Okay, so first things first. He got our premium springtime grillers pack for his daughter, and it's perfect pack for breaking out your grill and, you know, getting to it. And we have some beautiful ribeyes yet again. I mean, come on now. These are wonderful. I am so impressed with them. So anyway, there's 4 in this package. So we're gonna get all 4 of them put in here. All right. It also comes with 2 sirloin steaks. These are pretty dang good looking sirloins too. They're nice and big. This one is 1.3 pounds. So, I mean, it's a good hefty size sirloin, and it'll probably feed at least 2 people, if not 3. And same with this one. It's nice, good size sirloin, nice fat cap on it. Okay, it also comes with 1 beef tri-tip. These are great on the grill. It's one of my favorite cuts of beef. It's overlooked so often. Okay, and it comes with 2 strip steaks. These are packaged 2 to a steak. It's got some pretty nice marbling in it. Not bad for a New York strip. Okay, it also comes with 4 of our gourmet ground beef patties. These are half-pound patties. They are, yeah, it's just our regular gourmet ground beef pattied up for your convenience in half-pound patties, 2 per package. And this box comes with 4 of them. And it also comes with 4 of our gourmet ground beef. One of our best products. It is so far and away better than anything you can buy at the grocery store. And it's just, you know, grilling. Sometimes you want to grill something other than a hamburger. Maybe some kebabs or, you know, meatballs. I've seen people do grilled meatloaf. Like, yeah, there we go. Ground beef for the grill. And that's what comes in this package. It is a really good one, like I said, for, you know, for breaking out your grill for the spring, getting it, you know, dusted off and fired up again. I know that we'll be enjoying things like this here in the near future. So I hope that you know, consider giving this box a try. You can find it at mesquitecountrybeef.com. Thanks again, John. I really hope Sarah enjoys her beef, and we will catch y'all next time. Bye.